welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is coming quick and I feel like this year is already going by fast. January went by way too fast. Yesterday felt like it was New Year's already. I can't believe how fast this month has flown by. I have no idea what I'm doing for Valentine's Day. Usually it's dinner and a movie. What do you guys usually do for Valentine's Day? I mean, we don't go really all out because since it's our anniversary month, usually we go more out for our anniversary, and then we just like to chill on Valentine's Day, you know, love each other as usual, have a nice dinner, a movie, a romantic movie of my choice. But what do you guys usually do? Comment below and let me know what you guys do for Valentine's Day. I want to hear what you guys got going on Valentine's Day. Am I the only one that is lame and boring on Valentine's Day? I am so in love with the way this look turned out. It's super pink, super girly, super bling, and paired with this lip. I love this lipstick. If you know me, you know I'm super girly. My favorite color is pink. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So today we're starting out with the Morphe 35U palette, and we're picking up this pink color. We're going to blend this right into the crease. This is going to be our transition shade. Picking up this magenta shade, we're going to use this with a flat brush and get right into that crease and try to pack it on and define it as much as possible. Also, you want to make sure that you're blending outward. Picking up NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone, we're going to use this as our base and we're going to cut the crease. Picking up another pink color, we're going to use this right on top of that base that we laid down. This is going to be the base color before we put the glitter on. Picking up that same flat brush, we're going to go ahead and deepen up the color in the crease. Now taking NYX glitter primer, we're going to use this before we place the loose glitter. This is a glitter by J-Cats. This is a pretty pink color. I'm going to put this right on the back of my hand and then place right on top of the lid. Now this is going to act as a glue, holding the glitter in place all day. Now I'm going back in and I'm redefining the crease. I just want to make sure that it's nice and deep and clean. Then going back in with the transition shade and I'm making sure that everything is nice and blended. Taking a makeup wipe, I'm going to go ahead and clean up all of the fallout. Off camera, I'm going to go ahead and use this NYX matte liquid liner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, coat them with mascara, and get ready to put my false lashes on. For primer, I'm going to be using Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt, and I'm going to get ready to put on my foundation. But before we do that, I'm going to pick up this palette and I'm going to color correct and conceal any red spots and darkness underneath my eyes. I am using the Bella Pierre Cosmetics. This is the Pro Concealer Palette, and I really like this to cover up all of these spots on my face.
Picking up my sponge, I'm just going to blend all of this concealer in. For foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline's 24-Hour Foundation. This is a really good foundation. I'm saying that it is really bomb. It's really full coverage. It's something new I've been using and I have really been loving it. I mean, it hides everything on my face. And I don't know, I've just been really in love with this foundation lately. And it also dries matte and quick, so you want to blend it out really quick. Taking Tarte Shape Tape, as usual, we are going to conceal, highlight, and also bake and contour. The whole usual routine. Let's go ahead and do that. If you guys haven't tried this powder yet, this is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. It is really great for baking. It has been my go-to lately. I've been using it non-stop ever since I ran out of the Laura Mercier. I cannot put this one down. It is so good, especially for drugstore. I'm super impressed. Picking up that magenta shade again, we're going to use this for our lower lash line. This is just going to give it that colorful smoky effect, and it really makes this look come together, especially with the crease color. Picking up more of that pink color, we're going to use this right underneath that just to kind of smoke it out a little bit and have that gradual pink effect. Now wiping away the powder, this helps with any fallout. Taking NYX Jumbo White Pencil, I'm going to use this for the waterline. Now time to bronze, and I'm using Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. This is my favorite bronzer to warm up the face. Taking this deep pink blush, I'm going to place this right on top of the bronzer. For highlight, I'm going to be using Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to be taking the two colors Kitty Cat and Forever Young. And go ahead and highlight that face. This is my favorite highlighting palette. I'm also going to place this on the inner corners and on the brow bone. This just gives it a little extra pop. And to make sure that your makeup lasts for Valentine's Day, you're going to want to set your makeup in place using the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And while the skin is still wet, I like to take my sponge and just press the highlight into the face. This gives more of a natural effect. And if you want to be a little extra like me, go ahead and highlight your shoulders and your décolleté area for that extra glow. It's going to look so good. Now I'm going to remove this foundation on my lips before I get into lining the lips and applying my lipstick. For lipstick today, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Junebug. I'm going to use the liner that came with it and then apply the liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorite colors. It's so bright and I love the smell of it. It smells like vanilla. This color is just so pretty. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.